Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Richie and I love posting about self-care. If you like the vibe so far, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I will be waxing under the arms. I will be using this slightly smaller popsicle because I ended up waxing my entire behind and yoni with it and it was much better. And because I finally finished my 1 kg of wax, I didn't have a lot of wax left to wax my underarms, so I decided to use the smaller popsicle so that I would also use less wax, because the bigger popsicle takes a little bit more wax than necessary. To begin waxing your underarms, you first need to apply a little bit of baby powder to maintain the underarms as dry as possible, because we tend to sweat a lot in these parts of the body. And of course, with my smaller popsicle, I will be working in sections. Even though I could do it all at once, I think that it is better to do it in smaller sections, even in my underarms, because that way I have better control of the application of the wax and I also remove more efficiently. As you can see, I am applying from top to bottom with my arm, the same arm that is being waxed, the same underarm that is being waxed. I am pulling my shoulder up so that I maintain the skin as straight as possible, so that I will apply the wax as the best way I can. And of course, with my popsicle, I am trying to release the top so that I can pull more efficiently. So make sure that you inhale deeply and exhale, remove your wax strip, and repeat until you have the desired result. Inhale, exhale, pull, and that's it. So now I am working in the middle. I'm applying in direction of growth and I will pull in opposite direction. So the smaller popsicle allows me to save a little bit of product, and it works very well for smaller sections like the underarms. Not only the underarms, but also some parts of the face or the chest, maybe the nipples if you tend to have hairy nipples as well. So you inhale deeply, inhale deeply, exhale, pull quickly in opposition of growth. So now my armpits are soft, but as you can see, even applying in small applications, working in small applications, it still means a little bit of hairs. And of course, I will go ahead and do it one more time. But first, I'm gonna take a break and move to the other side. As you can see, all the baby powder that I had applied, it's gone, because applying the wax and pulling the wax on the other side was enough for the baby powder to literally be absorbed or melt, because I was sweating slightly. Don't get me wrong, waxing is painful, but it's a great way to just maintain your body soft, and especially if you tend to have very thick hairs like me. So inhale, exhale, pull. So yeah, very painful. Apply some pressure on your underarm so that the pain will go away. And when you're ready, move on to the next little section. Trust me, waxing everything at once is possible, and I will show you how. And I've also shown you how in one of my previous videos, but again, I tend to do it in smaller sections. And now that I have found the secret that actually I'm sharing with you, like smaller popsicles work just as fine as the bigger ones. So yeah, you can just decide if you want to use a bigger one, if you want to use a smaller one, and you will have great results either way. So inhale, make sure you're pulling your skin straight, And when you exhale, you pull the wax quickly. Apply your hand on top if you feel a lot of pain. Even though the underarms are a small section, I like to take my time with it, because if I wax properly one time, I don't have to go back and do it again. Inhale, exhale, pull, and that's it. Yes, there's a little bit of hairs that I didn't catch, but I'm gonna go over again until they're completely gone. Now that I'm done waxing myself, I'm gonna go ahead and disinfect my hands really quickly before I go ahead and apply the after wax lotion. Yes, this wax lotion with aloe vera that I so much like. Yes, nothing better than the feeling of having no hairs in my underarms. And one thing that I love about waxing my underarms is that, you know, when I used to shave, I used to have dark underarms, and ever since I stopped shaving my underarms are much lighter, and I really love the after wax feel. The skin is just soft and smooth, and of course, like with hairs, there's also like sweat and bacteria accumulated in those hairs. So it's important to wax yourself, exfoliate, maybe even use lemon juice so that you can cut off that sweaty odor if you tend to have a strong smell. But if not, then you're good. Either way, I love waxing and I will never go back to shaving. So yeah, I love applying lotion under my arms and oil, especially after I am waxed, because when I have hairs, I just don't feel comfortable. So this is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that I could inspire you to wax yourself at home and stay waxed all year round. Don't forget to like and comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You know you can find me on Snapchat and on SoundCloud, and yes, my Instagram is back on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.